So today I've made my way to Honister Slate mine and I'm booked on to do the Infinity Bridge, which is actually the longest high wire bridge in Europe. When I'd signed in and got the equipment on, like the helmet and the harness, we made our way up to the Infinity Bridge by bus, and then we were given basic safety instructions by our guide. This bit here is the start of the small climb up to the Infinity Bridge. We were shown how to attach ourselves to the rail at the side of us, so we were safe while waiting to get onto the bridge. When I saw the bridge, I'm not going to lie, I was a bit disappointed having been promised a 1,000-foot drop. But the 1,000-foot drop is to your right and not directly below you. But the drop is still big enough to make some people feel a bit uncomfortable.
She heard you. God's sake. You'd be cold if you didn't have you.
I mean, not the coldness, I was struggling with it.
Bloody hellfire.
Good thing about being the last one at the back is you can give the bridge a bit of a wobble and it shakes all the way over to the other side. At this point, it looks like it's the biggest drop below you, but I'd say it's only about 200 to 300 feet. Someone in front did slip and a leg went either side of the wire. The safety gear will stop you from falling, but it won't stop you from hitting your bits on the wire below. But I suppose that makes it more fun. Yeah. Don't look at me, I've got a camel toe. Right.
Alright.
Let's top that. There we go. Yeah. Of course.
May I?
Yeah, go for it. We know each other well enough now. Cheers. Once you get to this part, you follow the path down, which takes you to a mine tunnel, which is quite low, so just watch your head. The guy in front hit his head 3 times on the rocks above.
Hey?
People in the mines that they get talking about this all the time, they're back.
Yeah, we're on the knees. There's no levels.
This tunnel probably goes on for a couple of minutes. It brings you out at the start of where you go up to the infinity bridge near the generator, and instead of getting a bus back down, you walk down to hand in your equipment. Overall, doing the infinity bridge, I think it was a decent experience, and for 25 quid, I thought it were a good price. They also do other excursions like climbing inside the mine, the Via Ferrata, canyoning and mine tours, so I'm sure I'll do them in the future.